We need this seat right here.
That seat, I got one like that.
That seat right there hit different.
Yeah, I got one like it, except it reclines.
Oh, yeah, I like that one. I can't recline, well, I go to sleep.
Put the lights on the brakes, right? Yeah. Oh my God. We have all that on these. They look like lights. That's how bright they were. This thing has a long room.
I love that mother.
Oh yeah.
It's money, that's all it is. A damn headache. It's just a headache, that's all. You see what he said? That's all.
Yeah.
I like this part though.
I got a backup cam.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there you go. That'll do it.
Oh yeah.
That's what, like a 32, like a 32nd on the volume?
Yeah, something like that. About 30.
46.
They're slow. They come straight up.
No, you get me lying. I don't know my side by side lifting. It's up there though. It's up there, that's all I know. It's up there. Yeah, you got it pretty good right there, ain't right there.
Yeah, that's the thing. These motherfuckers are still, bro. You see that bumper ain't got nothing on it.
Well, you can just buff that motherfucker off, boy. Call it a day. But that would have been like a new car. Well, the whole goddamn front end up. Shit.
Imagine if he had hit a little car.
Ooh.
He hit a fall in that one. Man, bro, he didn't drop it anyway. Look at that time, bro.
Yeah, he gone. Yeah, it'll do it. That's John's car. And that's John's wife car.
Right here?
Yeah, that's John's wife car. And that's John, the blue one. Yeah.
I see it a lot.
Shit. I know that's Scat. That's Mike's. I don't even know who the fuck drive out. I see that motherfucker a lot too, though. Yeah. Who tried that damn half and half Scat? It's white and tan. Or white and black, something like that.
White and black used to be junky. But I don't know, Joker's like Jay too. He changed that color so much because he already got it. So I don't really know. My girl be trying to steal the fucking thing right here.
Oh, you told that thing right there? But soon you send it to her, she gonna pull up, try to take it. Yep.
That's
Yep.
what I need.
Read that motherfucker all wrong. Might need to let me drive this motherfucker. He went with something different this time. I'm surprised he didn't go carbon fiber all the way through that motherfucker. He did though, but he didn't go like how he did his charge. Mike. You're right there. With that purple shirt, right?
Oh, that's the gun.
Tiffany Beats.
Right here. It's clean. I look purple. Look purple. Look purple, then it look blue. I don't know which one it is. Clean though. Y'all tell me what color it is. It look purple and then it look blue. Let's speak that back that up. Alright, so now I can catch this mother when he rolling in. I couldn't catch him at first. Now I can actually catch this mother rolling in. That was nasty, bro. What that motherfucker nasty. Her damn soul just left her body when he came to. Thought of it, yeah. Ooh-wee. Hey, got the
What is that, an F-250? That bitch Shima.
Silverado. No. No, that's that young dude I've been putting on my snap lately. That's Jay. Trey. Yeah, that's Trey. He just came from Clark. Yeah, that's Trey. Cause he got his squatted boys with him. Yeah, I be putting him on Snap almost every day. I pass that truck every day. He lives somewhere in Bend. It's clean though. You need the angular lift though. Oh, let me finally get the angular lift. That means he can lower it and go up high with it. I love that sucker though. That'd be hard though.
You get 4 to 17 on that thing.
Yeah. That'd be nasty though. That'd be hard though. I ain't gonna lie. That'd be nasty. He cold. He ain't gonna do nothing but turn left. That's all he gonna do. Look. They gonna turn left. Truck too damn big to fit in here, brother.
Isn't that the dog that gets out of that?
Nah. That's somebody else.
I'm gonna call it.
They ain't doing nothing but following him. That's all they doing. Just following him. I don't know what that is.
They have like a, it's kind of like timber fence and shit.
Yeah.
They've been doing the timber fence last night. That's how you love that.
Timpani Beats.
Got that jam music over there. Well. Coder intake on that. You got the pull up, but you got the coder intake.
Timpani Beats.
Yeah, I'm about to go to Chevelle.
Timpani Beats.
Yeah, I'm about to go to Chevelle now. Oh, yeah. This motherfucker is nasty. Yeah, that's deep. Got the El Camino SS too, though.
Timpani Beats.
Motherfucker, nasty, bro. Can't beat that one, man. I like that one over there, El Camino. Yeah, me sold.
Timpani Beats. Y'all see this motor now in 6 months, it ain't gonna look like this. You
gonna take this out and redo it. Go to Bryant Pop. We got the SSR.
Timpani Beats.
Got a clean GMC too. Small block, small block, small block. It's the Bryant Popo. Popo. Yeah, this sucker right here clean though. This one clean.
Timpani Beats.
This one good clean.
Timpani Beats.
And it's about nutty up here.
Timpani Beats.
People and all the king. Except for the king. Corbier. However you say that. That's the one got the rear. And the motor in the end. I mean the rear. Got a supercharger. Paxton supercharger. I knew he was gonna turn around and come here. Hot rod, all black, red interior. Simple and clean.
Timpani Beats.
I know you okay. You okay. You okay. Got Nathan. Oh yeah, that's Nathan. Whatever he is. That person that owned it, Nathan.
My name's Nathan.
Oh yeah, he somewhere over there.
Yeah, I own this car. My name's Nathan.
Timpani Beats.
Like that Fox Spider right there too though.
Timpani
That was some shit, but just took the looks. Got the old hot rod Ford back here. 1928. I think, yeah, 1928. all the way here. Jesus. Now look, y'all. Y'all looked at my previous video. This blazer right here is one of the cleanest blazers I ever seen. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Let me show y'all the details of this damn blazer. Every bolt is new on this truck. Every bolt. Everything is tucked away up under here. This motherfucker is tucked in everything. Side by side. Suede.
Timpani Beats.
Got a lot of memory on that song.
Oh yeah.
You know how to download it on the computer and put it on disk?
Yeah.
Look it up.
Yeah. It's simple. Simple.
If you know how it is.
Yeah.
Because I know how.
A little side by side. Yep. Hold on, brother.
Like a bug.
That is nasty, bro. That be so hard. Ooh wee. That be nasty. Ooh. Ooh, that big motherfucker tough. Shit, he got a lot. That be tough, bro. That be tough. Hey, don't worry about it. That be next year. We in the works of it. It ain't gonna be this body style though. It's gonna be that new body style. Platinum. That's the only. Look, I pay that 100,000. That be so hard.
I don't think I can even afford the rough light.
Bro, you can afford anything. You put your mind to it, you can't afford it. You can afford anything. Lord, that'd be nasty and tough. Oh, wee. That'd be nasty and tough, my boy. Man. That'd be tough. Man, I passed you like 2 weeks ago. Oh man, I was like, man, who the hell dried it? I even sent it to Jacob. I was like, man, who the hell is this? That looks nasty. Oh. He messed up all of it. He messed up. Nah, that boss big, bro. That boss huge. You ain't fit that. You But he hard though. That shit hard. Oh yeah, he getting it, brother. He getting it. You ain't fitting that box in your car. Look how big it is. You ain't fitting that box in there.
I need some gloves or something.
He made cup holders though. That's crazy. He made cup holders. God bless. Oh yeah, he got the little regular thing right here. He dope. Yeah, he gone. He go. He took. I ain't gonna lie, he took.
Timpani Beats.
Bro. Him, that blazer, and that lack. It's a 3 hard combinations in the yard. That blazer was dope, bro. Damn, console clear. Dope. He coming now.
Timpani Beats.
Oh yeah? Okay. So Band-Aid.
Hey, that's all we need. We just need thermometer. That's all. I don't need nothing else out of it.
Timpani Beats.
Motherfucker bloody wet. Ooh wee. Yeah, you got going for today. Boy, I gotta take my damn car apart in the morning, boy. Gotta do that damn CV axle, boy.
I think a monster probably smoking grass.
Timpani Beats.
I need
Fucking grand all night, boy. Crazy, same content. All that damn noise.
Timpani Beats.
Oh, he changed everything. He changed the screen and everything. It flow with the car too. Yeah. Ain't no way this car stock, bro. You got headers on here. Got the MSD on it, motherfucker. Probably got a 90 on it. Yeah. I would've went with a different. I would've went with a roto valve. That's just me though. Gotta get you some ideas.
Timpani Beats.
They stinking to see that.
sus.
No, we think it's the manifolds that they got on their headers. He said they, from the looks of it, they put the cheap little flimsy ones in there.
Yeah.
'Cause it's only on the passenger side. You don't hear the little.
On the driver's side.
Nah, yeah, it's all on the passenger side. These things are
True.
fucking cheap ass. Like I said, square reason I want to go along to go somewhere.
Get them some bitches off.
Yeah,
Tiffany beats.
See, I wanna.
I mean, I like the dark horse. Wish they came with anything other than blue stitching.
They come with different other stitches.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
I've never seen blue.
Nah, they got different colors. They got the options for it.
Tiffany beats.
You clean though. I like the seats though.